Hi, I'm Joanne Butler with an amazing mealtime hack. You know, in my house, we're always looking for ways to make mealtime easier, not just the time it takes to prepare it, but when you have picky eaters that don't always want to eat what you're eating, can really be a challenge. Making multiple dinners is just the bane of my existence. So here is an awesome hack that will help you save time and help you get ahead of your day, thanks to Reynolds Kitchens. These are their slow cooker liners. They're like magic and literally let you make 2 different meals in one pot. Fast and easy cleanup too. Here's how it works. You just tear off a few sheets of the Reynolds Heavy Duty Foil and create a divider that will stand up on its own like so. Next, you just anchor the slow cooker liner on either side. Now here we made a turkey taco chili, super easy and delish, but my husband likes his spicy, my kids and I don't, plus my kids prefer beef to turkey. So on one side we made the spicy turkey, on the other side we made it not spicy with beef. You know, 2 easy dinners, 1 pot. Awesome. You can do side dishes with this too. This is also great as a dip divider. You know, football season's coming up, so you can make warm queso on one side and artichoke dip on the other. Really, the possibilities are just endless. And this hack is just guaranteed to help families save time by checking dinner and cleanup off the list. That's the best part of it all. You know, you can just avoid the dreaded slow cooker soak and scrub. You just remove the liner and you're done. Again, fast and easy cleanup. I just love these. They're a game changer. They have a ton of great recipe inspirations on their website too. So check out reynoldsbrands.com. Ton of great stuff like the turkey taco chili.